Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 2.5% in the last session after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices rose on expectations of a further decline in U.S. oil inventories, recouping some losses from the previous session due to lingering concern over rising cases of the Delta coronavirus variant. Sterling rose in early London trading, helped by recent falls in COVID-19 infections in Britain and optimism around Britain's easing of lockdown restrictions. Incoming SEC Chairman Gary Gensler issued new comments about Bitcoin, at times drawing a dividing line between the market's largest cryptocurrency and imitators.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's retail sales will be released at 1:30 GMT, the UK's Market Services PMI at 8:30 GMT, Spain's Market Services PMI at 7:15 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT, the U.S. ISM Services PMI at 1400 GMT, the U.S. ADP employment change at 12:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.